In this video, we're going to cover what is Facebook ads optimization and why it is so important to improve your Facebook ads results. Hey, my name is Andrea and I teach you how to set up, optimize, and scale your advertising campaigns on Facebook and Instagram while you can keep growing your online business to 6 figures and beyond. I also have a huge bonus for you at the end, so definitely stay until then. If you see value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and all the links are going to be linked in the description box. So let's jump right into it. So what is optimization and why it is so important to optimize your Facebook ads? When we talk about Facebook ads, and we're going to refer to them as meta ads from now on, optimizing your ads is analyzing the metrics that are relevant for your specific campaign settings. You need to optimize your campaigns regularly, and I will say almost daily, because you will be able to create better ads that drive people to perform the action that you want them to do. The first step to start optimizing your campaigns on Facebook/Meta is in the Ads Manager. Let's say we're going to optimize a conversions or sales campaign. So we're going to start by setting up the columns of the metrics to look at 3 main metrics. Those are click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, the CPC, and the number of results or your number of sales purchases. These metrics are measuring the performance of different variables of your ads, such as copies, images, and calls to actions, and the user's interactions with them. For example, on one hand, having a CTR above 5% is a good indicator that your ads are generating interest and people are interested in knowing more about your offer. But if your CTR is lower than 2%, that means that you need to create better ads because people are not interested in taking further action. Same happens with your cost per click, your CPC. One that is lower than the average in your industry will tell you that your ads are giving Facebook an easier time to be delivered. But a CPC higher than the average is an indicator that Facebook is having a hard time finding users interested in your offer, for which you might want to make changes in the contents of your ads or the settings of your campaigns. Keep in mind that at the end of the day, social media platforms want their users to stay there, engage, and spend more time on them. So the algorithm is going to push your content regardless of how much you pay if it fulfills this purpose. With that being said, we need to look at the metrics as a measurement of how easy you're making it for the algorithm to find the audience that will engage with your content and buy your products. Now, because the newest privacy policies in regards to tracking people's personal information, there are some ad accounts that have a delay in the data that are receiving in the Ads Manager. Since millions of people opted out of sharing their personal data on their devices, it is harder for Facebook to understand which actions are associated with their users. The most common example of this issue is that sometimes you could see sales happening on your website but not attributed to any ads in the Ads Manager. So you don't have a way to know for sure which ads are bringing you sales and which ones are not. This is when optimization becomes an art, because you need to use a wider set of metrics to optimize the variables of your ads. Back to our column setup in the Ads Manager, on top of CTR and CPC, we're going to need to use other metrics such as cost per landing page view, cost per view content, ads to cart, engagement rate, link clicks, and cost per 1,000 impressions. To have an accurate idea of how to optimize these metrics, one of the best practices is to look at the trends in your industry and make changes on your ads and assets to improve these variables of the campaigns. You can use these trend results as references to make decisions about what to do with your ads, if you need to keep them on, turn them off, or increase the budget. So if you have a campaign running right now, you will need to analyze and compare with metrics to make decisions, and that is ads optimization. There are more tips on Facebook ads optimization, but I wanted to give you the first introduction to it, since it is one of the most requested topics during my consultations with business owners. I hope this video clarified this for you, and as I promised, I have a bonus on what aspects to focus on to optimize your ads. These are called the Power 5 and are 5 tactics that top advertisers are using to get better results by relying more on Facebook algorithm. Those are turning on advanced matching, using dynamic ads, using automatic placement, turning on campaign budget optimization, and simplifying your ad account structure. I personally tested these tactics and I got great results for my e-commerce clients, so if you're thinking about giving it a try, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos like these in the future, let me know in the comment section, but also let me know if you have any other questions regarding Facebook ads. I'm here and I'm super happy to help you during this journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you